Gazelle coming here from Bemis Crafty Corner, and I went on a Scaventure today. I went Scaventure. I only went to one place, but I found some really great stuff. So the first thing I found was this. This is Hampton art stamp. It's a pigment stamp, and it's brand new. I just took it out of the plastic. So let's see how this sucker works. So I got a stamp. Open an ink pad. And it works awesome. So, yeah, that's cool. All right. Let me clean this up real quick. So, like I said, I only went to one place today because I was out doing some stuff, and I happened to be right there. I had to go to the Home Depot, and I happened to be right there. And normally I don't clean these with alcohol, but I don't want to have to get off everything just to do the cleanup. So we'll just do a quick wipe with the alcohol and be done with it. Okay. And I will clean the stamp block later. All right. I'll get that cleaned off in a minute. So that's pretty cool. I mean, it works. It's brand new. Okay. So what else did we find? Well, we found a pack of parchment paper from Southworth. I love this kind of paper. You guys know that. Love, 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 love it. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different colors of paper in there. And it's parchment. And I love to be able to put parchment in my books. You know, when I make my journals, I love being able to put some parchment in. So I've got some parchment, which is good because I was running low. So I got some new. I found this gorgeous box, okay? It's in really good shape. You know, the liner is really nice. The sides are real pretty. It does need a new bottom on it, but, you know, that's just a piece of felt, so that's not a big deal. I will clean off some of this old glue and just put a new piece of felt on the bottom. And I don't like the top, but, you know, that's the part that I can redo because I really like the sides and everything. So I think what I'll do is I will just redo this top piece, and then I'll be happy with it, you know? All right, so what else did I find? All right, so I found these, and these are called dimensional attachments, and these you can print. They're from Gardner Studio, and you can print these, and they're like these little pieces right here, and you can print them, and then you can stick them on stuff. So I thought that was cool, so I grabbed those. And I found this from Creative Home Arts Club. This is a craft kit, and it's a summer fun scrapbook kit, and it's, you know, it's got all its stuff in it. It's got a bunch of stuff, paper, and, you know, stickers and things. So I grabbed that, and then I found this, Doodle Bliss 101, Unleashing the Artist Within, and this includes 8 fine tip permanent markers, 1 Art 101 art pad, and 1 Doodle Bliss project guide. So, let's see. Doesn't say much as far as the description, but they're permanent markers, so I thought that was cool. So I grabbed that. And then I found these. All right, so these are cards, you know, blank cards and envelope sets. And these are Monet. These are Monet paintings. So you've got blank cards in here, Monet paintings, nice size cards, full size cards here. And there's 4 different designs. So you get 4 different Monet paintings in the package and the envelopes. So I thought that was pretty cool. So I grabbed those. And today must have been like fine art day at the thrift store, Because then I found these, and these are by Renoir. Again, same thing. You've got, you know, different Renoir art, different scenes from the master, and cards and envelopes. And again, they're blank on the inside. And these are from a company in, from somebody called Robert Frederick, and it is, these are from the UK. So then I found this one. Now this one is Vincent van Gogh. And these are huge. These are 7 3/4 by 7 3/4. And, you know, Still Life Sunflowers in 1888 by Vincent van Gogh. So that's that piece. And then there's this one. The Cafe Terrace at Arles at Night. Again, 1888 by Vincent van Gogh. And then there's this one, which is his Still Life Irises in 1890. And this last one here is Artist on the Road to Toscana, to Terrace in 1888. And they're just gorgeous. I mean, they're just, the size is incredible on these. And they have envelopes. Look at these envelopes, right? They're huge. The envelopes are literally 8 by 8. So, very cool that I found these. They did have some more. Same artist, you know, they just had more packages. I may go back and get some more. We'll see. But I am certainly going to be putting these in sets and selling them. Come up. There we go. So I got that. And then I found these. And these are postcards. So you have a set here from Vincent van Gogh. All different Vincent van Gogh paintings, you know, his best known paintings. Of course, a couple of self-portraits and things. Then there's the Impressionist. I love the Impressionist period. And let me see if maybe we go this way. They're a little better to look at. So these are the Impressionists. And then Gustav Klimt. I love this guy's work. Very avant-garde, very racy for the time. These were done in the early 1900s, very late 1800s. And they're quite a bit different than normal. Then you have Pablo Picasso, of course, one of the masters. And, you know, his stuff was all weird. Of course, you know, known as the father of the Cubism movement. And then we have some Art Nouveau. I have two of the Art Nouveau. So very 1920s, 1910s Parisian. And then two books from Salvador Dali. And I love Salvador Dali. Just beautiful, beautiful art. And gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So I grabbed these, and I'm probably going to, you know, I'll divide them up and get some sets together for you guys as well. But I grabbed all of those that I could find, and I was very happy to find them. And that's pretty much it, guys. That was all I got today, other than some pieces that I picked up to put into some kits. That was pretty much it, except for my next sales free giveaway. I found this pack of napkins, and I love it. I lost my virginity, but I still have the box that it came in. I love it. It's only a single image, but, you know, it's still cool. So I grabbed this. It's actually from a company called Ephemera Incorporated. So I went ahead and I grabbed that. I figured you guys would appreciate. I'll share some of those around. So that's it, guys. That was all I found today. Listen, if you haven't done so already and you're new here, thanks for stopping by. Go ahead and hit that red button for me. Like me, ring my bell, share me with all your friends, and then your friends can be my friends, and my friends can be your friends, and that's what a community is all about. Until I see you again, bye-bye.